How's it going, guys? I got a new thing. You get your big bucket, right? And we all like to carry our shit inside of our buckets, you know, but then you want a seat. Well, did a little scrolling on the old Amazon. I got this swivel seat. It's kind of hard to see, but it's made by Hawk. Snaps onto your bucket. It's got lumbar support and it swivels. Now, comfortability, sit here and fish. But let's get on them, shall we? We're not doing anything fancy today, guys. We're just, you know, just doing a little bit of fishing. I mow the house, so a little bit of perks. Now I'm just throwing some worm. My kids broke my 4-foot dowel that I had. Went to Walmart, got me a 4.6 Shakespeare. Paired it up with that dowel reel. Running the 6-pound Suffix 832 braid. Just running a gold size 6 hook with a split shot and a cork. Let's see if we can get some. Got our first little hookup, guys. Little baby kitty cat. Meow 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 meow. Those little cats, man, they suck. They're pokey, and you can't really hold them very well. I mean, yeah, you can go up underneath, you know how to do it, right? But it's like, man, trying to get rid of them back in the lake, better hope you're quick, otherwise you're gonna get sliced, bud. Oh, hey, how's it going there, guys? Bring you guys down to my level. Haven't showed the tripod much. I'll have to show you that. That's a shout out to Mikey for hooking it up, finding it on the side of the road. No, sitting on the bucket, fishing underneath the dock. I know there's state record crappie in here. Obviously you can't use minnows and stuff here, but there ain't no rule saying you can't use worm. We've gotten 2 inches of rain here. It's still kind of spitting and raining, as you can tell on the dock. It's still wet. Fish are biting. Might as well keep them if there's any size to them. Now look at that hookup, boys. Right through the schnoz. The schnoz, I'm saying. It just happens to be I have the baby whisker seeker with me. We're gonna throw them on, boys. I'm starting to pick up on the rain here a little bit. So I think I'm gonna move the camera in here. All right, guys. Hey guys, we're on our last fish of the night. Nice little kitty cat. But you know how it goes. You win some, you lose some. Tonight just wasn't my night, but still, you know, nice little cat. This is a Shakespeare Micro Series, by the way. My Dalla, that was on the 4-footer. I believe this is a 4.6. 4.6. So, you know, is what it is. Shit happens. There's Mr. Kitty Cat saying, peace out. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Brr, brr, brr. Let's be honest, guys. It's never the last cast. You know, a man's last cast is like a woman's 5 minutes. Okay? We all know that when a man says one last cast, there's a good 30 minutes left easy. Now, cheat the system a little bit. Some people wear gloves. Some people use a towel. I got this lip grabber. Them little fuckers is sharp on these little bitches. Num num num. Ready? Bye, friend. Let's see if we can get another one, eh? We got one of them little foreheads. Little guy. Let's see if we can at least try to pull a crappie out. I mean, I know I'm fishing with worm, but they're bound to hit on some worm, right? Right? Just remember, just because it's raining or sprinkling, don't be afraid to get out there and do some fishing. Sometimes that's when it's the best bite. And it's weird because they're not underneath structures, they're just out in the open. They're in between structures, but I fished underneath the dock over here, fished out in the open, nothing. But everything that I've been getting has been up against this wall. Also, yet again, shout out to my boss for giving me a rain day. He doesn't know how to fish, so he doesn't show up. Had a nice tag. See if we can get them. Like I said, yes, my kid, he didn't break it, I broke it, but he got it all tangled up because he went night fishing. They're not very experienced at fishing in the dark, but they wanted to go fishing with Dad. I told him, I said it's going to be wet, it's going to be cold, it's going to be buggy. Oop. Had it in her mouth and the kids walked in. It's alright, guys. They done finished my worm. Still raining. But I think it's time for me to call it a day. I think I'm thirsty. I do believe when I checked on that Hawk seat for the bucket, I do believe it was 35 bucks on Amazon. I do believe. As always, guys, it's been a pleasure. I know we didn't get no crappie, but it was just a quick run out after work and see how the bite was doing. Wasn't terrible. I was only here for about an hour, hour and a half. Got a little extra footage for you guys. A little shout out for the Hawk seat, you know. Till next time.